Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
With the Twitter algorithm, must-do tips. If it feels like the X algorithm is ignoring your small accounts, that might be because, well, it actually is. But there's a simple way that you can change that. Creators sitting at over 100,000 followers still make a consistent habit to keep their engagement high. Now, before I reveal this habit, let's break down how the X algorithm works in 2024. Since Elon Musk took over Twitter, now X has made some huge changes. And that's not just to the name. He has changed everything from the branding to what type of content is favored on there. The algorithm will always prioritize high-quality content, and that is highly actionable advice that is well written. But the changes that is recently made has made it so that images and video are more favored there in 2024. Misinformation is now highly downgraded, along with any low-quality content that's got grammatical errors in it, because Elon wants to keep the level of information high to attract new users. But what's this mean for new users? Well, if you're starting off from zero, you're trying to get your first 1,000 followers, and that is always one of the hardest things to do. Because you could have the greatest content in the world, but it doesn't matter if nobody sees it. And if no one sees your content, then you're just not going to grow. The way you get your post to show up on other people's timelines is based on the amount of engagement you get. And if you get a small audience with small amounts of followers, you're just not going to get that much engagement. It's just not possible to grow an audience on your content alone. The best and most efficient way to grow is to reply to other people's posts and steal their audience. If the creator then engages with your comment or even reposts the comment itself, then other people will see it too. When you engage with others, you build a community around you, and social media is about being sociable. So if you build other people up, then it's more likely that they're going to do the same for you. It makes other accounts feel valued, and it's just great karma. As you're supporting them, they're more likely to support you as well. This is networking 101. Algorithm then reacts to your replies and comments and sees you as somebody who is active, and then you'll get a boost in the app. But how do you actually do it? Well, the best way is to make a couple of lists of sizes of accounts that are similar to yours. One small, one medium, and then one of the biggest creators in your niche. And then you're going to go and set time aside and be sociable. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So we go to lists. Then we would click new list. And then type out the name, engagement 101. Then type people I want to reply to. So the main thing that you do here is to click make private, because what you don't want to do is alert people that you're adding to this list. Now from this one, just add people. You can have your friends, you can just type them in. So I'll put some people who I know. And once you've added the correct people, just press done. And then it will populate it with a list of people. And so when I go into X next time, all I do is just click on list and then go to my list that I've created. That way, I don't need to be on the timeline. Now you're going to go through and pick some specific tweets to reply to. So this one is a good one here. The plan is to become an absolute beast in every single area of life or die trying. I would like this tweet. So I know I can reply to that. Okay, that's a good reply. Replying the tweet, you're liking the post, you're adding to the conversation positively. Hopefully that is a positive interaction that someone will see. Then they will go in your profile. Then if they like what they read and they like things, like the pinned tweet and the banner, then they would click that follow button. Now we're going to do it just by scrolling the timeline. So I'm just going to go through here and read something that I would want to engage with. Okay, so we found a post here from Charles Miller, the best content formula. So he's got a nice post and I'm just going to support it because this is great information. So I'm going to save it. So saved. Then I'm going to add something to the post so that it's just not saying well done. So I'm going to reply that way. Now we're going to go to Charles Miller's page because one of the best ways to learn how to reply is to actually go to somebody who has a big following and look at how they actually reply themselves. So here's a good example of a reply from Charles. So Cooper here has written out a 7-day blueprint. She's taken a lot of time to create this, and Charles has specifically taken a quote from this person's post and put it down below. and he's added in his replies specifically why he agrees with this point. So analyze and adjust. That's where most people mess up. They set it and forget it instead of making is better one test at a time. So he's not only supported and had been positive with this person's post, he's added his own little bit of insight and his own little bit of advice as well. Great reply. So collect people, make sure that you're engaging with them every day. So if you did 10 to 25 people all in your list that you've created that way, engagement will be built and you'll get people coming to your profile. Another great habit will be to direct message creators as well. This builds a fan base and builds some great connections. And if somebody knows what it is you're building, then when they see it on the timeline, they're more likely to engage with it. So you can just do this through as long as you want. By consistently implementing these steps and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of social media, you can improve your chances of winning Twitter algorithm, increasing your brand's visibility, and driving higher engagement.
Make cold emails easy. Run perfectly designed, killer cold email campaign that turn leads into buyers fast. The only legit way to do cold email marketing. Anti-spam marketing system, custom customer journeys, reach cold leads with confidence. Pursueapp makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Online SaaS works in any location and any device. Supports multiple campaigns. You can market multiple products or businesses. Create custom emails to be sent on event triggers like open, clicks, etc. Free one ready-made email sequence to help you get started. Easy to use and newbie friendly. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pursueapp now. Just go to getpursueapp.in and you're good to go.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.